fellow Gambians and residents, these are challenging times for us as a nation. On behalf of the government and the entire nation, I commiserate with all those affected directly or indirectly. In particular, I extend heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families for the sad loss of lives. And I pray for solace for those who suffered damage to property.
Gambia bankola alfaba President Adama Barrow sain ale mung harje kake Gambia la nyaton koti. President Adama Barrow atele diamuta bring fonyo to bajita Gambia banko kan ay mo faje muntada kanyam fo motang. Andum fanang ay kodol kasara. Fiangol tinyata, bungul boyta, kankarana wututa. Ni akodobe kafunyoma million dalasi kuol kafoje. President Adama Barrow ate findita ka banko mol ke kachandi ke diamundi nyunkuola a banke mintole a banke nyadile albula active TV noma nganawo kibaro fatafatalie.
The pride we take in our brand, the work we put in to constantly change the landscape and elevate real estate in the Gambia, it's compared to none. From inception, our goal was to add value to the beautiful Gambian landscape. That's why we are proud innovators of community estates. Kololi Sands is an exceptional piece of work, tailored for ultimate convenience and luxury, to bring you an element of finesse that is rare but unique in its own. This is also our pride and joy, and we welcome you to the exquisite beauty right here in Kololi and right here on the waterfront. Kololi Sands, feel the ocean breeze at your doorstep.
Hello wonderful viewers, wonderful subscribers. This is Active TV again for another fast and a quick update. Mbadi ngulu, mbalbe kontona, mbalbe jiala, mbalbe bismillah kotake. Active TV pulkana kibaro bonde nan kote kam yalon ko akabo Gambia banko kan andung abedendinga. Gambia banko la alpha bala President Adama Barrow. President Adama Barrow, the President of the Republic of the Gambia, addressed the nation after the Wednesday windstorm. Mbadingulu a President Adama Barrow a tele diamuta Gambia dingulye. Bring fonyo to bajita Gambia banko kan ay tinyaro kam yalon ko asembo warata. Kendeke kuran filol kunduta banko kan bungul boyta banko kan bungul la korketol wututa iko mo muntara fo motang wolfnal fote niola jele mbedwala fo alama alase nyimol nemo anin kafaro ke tadula fisiandi ibodulati alma alenyilso arjanna kallankeola. The Wednesday windstorm in the Gambia causes a lot of damages in the country. According to the information we gathered, 10 people lost their lives and properties that worth millions of dollars were damaged by the heavy wind. Mbadingulu a kibaro miyalonko Active TV anga chonsinyoka nga kafunyoma ya itandile ko momun tarafa motang ifote ni wala nyunko kono andum fananga fewol mi yalon ko ikasara ta nyim fonyo to ba mi yalon ko ajita Gambia banko kan nena flon nyil hayma abitala la fo dalaso million jama. A windstorm is defined as a wind that is strong enough to cause at least light damages to trees and buildings. Mbadingulu a nyimfonyo to ba sifa anate nata kulo miyalon ko albada ninyin sifa nata kula miyalon ko akatinyarol to dulalto kendeke. The President of the Gambia, President Adama Barrow, also sent his condolences to the families of the peoples who lost their lives and so those who lost their properties, that his government will solely look their matters. Mbadingulu President Adama Barrow Gambia bankol alpha ba ala ni kuyaki mol miyalon ko ila family le mol mi yalon ko wolle fota inio la nyun ko kono andum fanan amol mi yalon ko wolle fota ila fengol la ila fengol tinyata nyun ko kono president Adama Barrow ya tandi la ko anala man sakunda ibe nyum mol la ko jube la le isa jube ibe mako rosot la nyamenga president Adama Barrow atele findita kadiamu ko la mi yalon ko lebe dending fo nyota bala mi yalon ka jita Gambia banko ka nyin arabo mi yalon ko atambita teng mbedi wala Gambia banko fa alama ala se Cairo sabatindi Gambia banko kan nganyatling carte fa wala mbedi wala fa alama Gambia banko la Cairo momorandindi ay Omari Sindi kake Gambia la presidenti mbedi wala fa alama carte fa nyin asedama ta Cairo kono ay bank Cairo kono alngal la moy president la kuma kan la. This is all I have for you today. This is Active TV Update.
Fellow Gambians and residents, these are challenging times for us as a nation. As a predominant farming country, we always look forward to the rainy season with excitement. However, we are also conscious that the season may come with some natural disasters. As the rainy season starts this year, we are beginning to experience such unfortunate calamities. Last Wednesday night's thunderstorm, accompanied by lightning and heavy winds that downed electric poles, destroyed buildings, uprooted trees, and littered our streets and communities with debris. Above all, it is most regrettable that our report recorded 10 deaths across the country due to the storm. On behalf of the government and the entire nation, I commiserate with all those affected directly or indirectly. In particular, I extend heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families for the sad loss of lives. And I pray for solace for those who suffered damage to property. In the same vein, I pray for the speedy recovery of all those injured and their loved ones who perished in the storm to rest in eternal peace. I wish to inform all citizens and residents of the country that my government is fully aware of the scale of the damage caused by this natural tragedy. We have since taken immediate steps to redress the situation. Working with the National Disaster Agency, NDMA, and the relevant line institutions, the government has activated the country's emergency preparedness and response plan. The National Disaster Management Agency staff deployed around the country are working tirelessly to assess the full extent of the damage, and they are instituting measures to mitigate the effect of this natural disaster. Based on an NDMA preliminary assessment report, the storm destroyed property worth millions of Dalasis and injured many people, apart from claiming 10 lives. I appeal to all citizens and residents, all corporate bodies, and our development partners to work with the NDMA on disaster risk mechanisms and support the victims. Fellow Gambians, agriculture is vital for our food security and survival. At the same time, we also benefit from it for subsistence. Therefore, I will seize this opportunity, as I always do, to call on the youth and the able-bodied citizens to engage in agriculture as a business venture. It is also worth noting that we can improve environmental sanitation by maintaining waterways clear of debris and garbage. My government will urge the Department of Physical Planning to learn lessons from the poor planning of all settlements, and in the future plan new communities better, taking account of waterways and proper drainage systems. In conclusion, I reiterate my call for support and solidarity with the victims of the storm as they rebuild their lives and livelihoods. I thank you for your kind attention.